Friends, today we are going to calculate the support reaction of given portal frame which is as indeterminate structure using the Castigliano's theorem. Now observing this figure, we have AC column and C2B beam, where C2B beam is loaded through 10 kN per meter UDL of 4 meter span. Now for using Castigliano's theorem, first of all we have to assume a redundant reaction, and let us assume RB as a redundant reaction. And taking the section between C2B span and A to C span, this section is look like. Now for C2B segment, if we take the B as a origin, then sectional distance is as a x, and for this case the moment in CB segment, which is equal to RB into x in anticlockwise direction, and sign convention says that sectional right hand side anticlockwise and left hand side clockwise moment is treated as a positive. So RB into x as a positive, and due to the 10 kN per meter UDL, it is load into distance by 2, hence it is 10 into x by 2, hence the total moment in CB segment is RB into x minus 5x square. Similarly, if we take the section between A to C segment, then the origin is assumed as a C and sectional distance from the C is treated as a x meter. Then the moment at this particular location, or we can say that the section which is RB into 4 in anticlockwise direction, and according to sign convention it is 4 RB as a positive, and due to this UDL it is minus load into distance by 2. Now calculating this value, we have 4 RB minus 10 into 4 by 2 as a 80. So this is the sectional moment which is going to be used in Castigliano's tabular form as. Now segment is C to B, origin is treated as a B, limit of segment, so CB segment is given as a 4 meter, moment of inertia is taken as a common for both the beam and column as a I. Now moment at section is calculated as RB into x minus 5 into x square. Now for A to C segment, first origin is treated as a C, limit of segment is given as a 4 meter, and moment is calculated as a 4 times RB minus 80. Now according to the Castigliano's second theorem, mathematical equation for strain energy which is equal to 0 at location where deflection is 0, then the strain energy at location B, which is U in CB segment, or strain energy in CB segment plus strain energy in AC segment, and mathematical formula for strain energy which is 1 by EI integration over entire span, sectional moment multiplied by partial derivation of sectional moment with respect to redundant as a del RB into dx. So using this equation for both the span, we will have. Now for the CB segment, we have 1 by EI as a constant, limit is of 0 to 4. Now sectional moment is RB into x minus 5x square. Now del mx by del RB, it is partial derivation of sectional moment with respect to redundant as a del mx by del RB. So partial derivation of RB into x minus 5x square, which is x, and partial derivation of 4 into RB minus 80 with respect to RB as a 4. So RB into x minus 5x square is multiplied with the x. For CB span and for AC span, it is 1 by EI, limit is 0 to 4, moment is 4 times RB minus 80, and partial derivation is 4. Now solving this mathematical equation, we will have now RB into x as a RB into x square minus 5x square into x as a 5x cube. Now here 1 by EI is constant for both, and the limit is also constant. 4 RB into 4 as a 16 into RB, and minus 80 into 4 as a minus 320 dx. Now integrating this term with respect to dx, we will have now RB into x square dx as a RB x cube by 3 minus 5 is constant, x cube dx as a x raised to 4 by 4 plus 16 RB as a constant into X minus 320 into X, and limit is of 0 to 4. Now closing this limit, we will have upper limit is 4, so x cube by 3 as a 4 cube by 3 minus 5 into 4 raised to 4 by 4 plus 16 into RB into 4 minus 320 into 4. Hence the total value of this equation, which is equal to 85.33 times RB minus, solving this term we will have redundant reaction at location B, which is equal to 18.75 kilonewton. So using this mathematical formula from Castigliano's second theorem of indeterminate structure or minimum strain energy, we can calculate the redundant reaction. Now going ahead for the rest reaction of given portal frame, as from the above calculation we have calculated the redundant reaction at location B as a 18.75 kilonewton. Now in this term, if we take sigma V equal to 0, then vertical reaction at location A as a RA, then RA plus RB as a 18.75, which is equal to downward load as a 10 into 4. So RA value is equal to 21.25 kilonewton. And if we take sigma moment at location A equal to 0, and moment at location A is assumed as a anticlockwise MA, then anticlockwise moment MA plus RB into 4 meter as a anticlockwise, so plus 18.75 into 4, which is equal to clockwise moment of 10 kN per meter as a total load 10 into 4 as a load into distance into CG distance as a distance by 2. Now solving this term, we will have the support moment, which is equal to 5 kilonewton meter. So thus we can calculate the support reaction of given indeterminate portal frame using Castigliano's second theorem. Thank you.